So we are going to analyze the reasons why we are using verbs in their base form. Okay, right? Verbs in their base form. So let me use another ink. Okay, right? So once again, we are taking a look at why verbs are in their base form. This the verbs in the imperative sentences, why they are in their base form. So there are three reasons provided as we saw earlier, number 1, number 2, and number 3. So for the first two reasons, they are similar. Okay, something that is true or permanent, something that happens regularly or repeatedly is they are similar. So we categorize them under one. What these reasons suggest is that they always hold true for most situations. For example, when we advise someone to relax when he or she is speaking to an audience, okay, we do this because we believe that this holds true for most situations, right? So this is always true. It's a universal truth. When you are speaking to an audience, you tend to relax. So it happens most of the time. It should have, or in other words, it should happen most of the time. So that is the reason why the verb has to be in the present tense. Okay, it is something that is either true or permanent, number 1. Okay, or number 2, it is happens regularly or repeatedly, something that is always true or in most situations. Then for the third reason why we use the base form in imperative for base form for the verb in the imperatives is that it is something that is happening at the moment of speaking or writing. Okay, like for example, when I see someone copying during an examination hall, the first thing that I will tell them is to stop writing. Okay, so that instruction happens at the moment as I'm saying to that person. Okay, that action is happening at the moment I am saying to that person. So I want that person to stop immediately and that person will stop also. So it is happening at the moment. So that is the reason why the verbs in the imperative sentences are in the simple present tense. Okay, right? In the simple present tense. Okay, for these three reasons. Okay, 1, 2, and 3.